Impeccably kept dream home located in the desired gated community of Harvest Glen. 4-bed/3 bath, triple split plan, plus D.E.N. Office/study and 3-car garage. No carpet. This well thought out floor plan places the library/study/office in front of home. The dining room is adjacent to the study. It's conveniently located across from an awesome kitchen featuring, which also includes a breakfast bar and the spacious kitchen dining area. A great room is included in all this greatness with built-in speakers in the ceiling, secluded backyard and cover. Lanai.This 4-bedroom/3 bath, having a 3-way split adds the much coveted all-important privacy to family and guests alike. And now, the grand master suite, secluded, peaceful and calm, at the rear of the home, tray ceiling and again access granted to the calming outside. An oversized master ensuite boasts both garden tub and shower, large vanity west/double sinks, a gigantic master walk-in closet, with a sizable second closet included. This home is, without a doubt, a LIL slice of heaven.